Let me ask you something. Have you ever studied for 2 hours, closed your notebook, and 5 minutes later thought, wait, what did I even learn? Yeah, same. I used to do this all the time, especially before exams. I'd watch
Okay,
YouTube
let's begin.
study with
Take a deep
me
breath in
videos,
and
highlight everything, feel productive, but my brain, empty. Then I found something Japanese students use. It's called the 10-minute review rule. And no, it's not magic, but it changed how I study. Stay with me because the last step is the part most people skip. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Studying isn't the hard part. Remembering is. We scroll TikTok for hours. Our attention is broken. We cram the night before exams. Then panic. Sound familiar? Japanese students realize something early. If you don't review, your brain deletes information. Literally. Psychologists call it the forgetting curve. But Japanese schools use a tiny habit to fight this. And it only takes 10 minutes. Let me explain. The rule is simple. After you learn something, you review it for 10 minutes. That's it. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Immediately. Right after class. Right after a study session. Right after watching a lesson. Those 10 minutes tell your brain, hey, this matters. And your memory locks it in. But here's the twist. It's how you review that makes it powerful. Let's break it down. This part feels scary. Close your notebook. Yes, close it. Now try to recall. What did I just learn? What were the main ideas? Can I explain it in simple words? Even if it feels messy. Especially if it feels messy. Because struggle equals memory. Japanese students call this active recall. Not rereading. Not highlighting. Actually pulling info from your brain. Mini cliffhanger. Most students stop here. But the next step is where real progress happens. Grab a paper or notes app. Write just 3 lines. Main concept, 1 example, 1 question you still have, that's it. 3 lines. This takes maybe 2 minutes. But it turns passive studying into active learning. And now you have something powerful. A personalized mini study guide. But wait, there's one more part. And this one fixes phone addiction during studying. The next day, spend 2 minutes rereading your 3 lines. Just 2. On the bus. Before bed. While waiting for coffee. This tiny review beats 3-hour cram sessions. Why? Because spacing beats stuffing. Japanese students don't study longer. They study smarter. But how does this help with burnout? Let's talk about that. Long study sessions drain you. You feel guilty when you stop. You feel stressed when you start. The 10-minute rule removes pressure. You don't need motivation. You just need 10 minutes. Even on bad days. Even when you're tired. It builds consistency. And consistency beats talent. Every time. Last mini cliffhanger. Let me show you how to use this for exams. After each topic, 10-minute review, 3-line summary, next day micro review before exams. Just read all your summaries. Boom. You already did the hard work weeks ago. No panic. No all-nighters. Just calm revision. Look, you don't need fancy planners. You don't need 5-hour study routines. You need one small habit. 10 minutes. That's the Japanese 10-minute review rule. Try it once tomorrow. Just once. And if this helped, save the video. Your future self will thank you.